Hi guys, I showed you this duck on one of my charity shop videos. I only bought it so I can take it apart. It's got a couple of contacts there, which I think makes a circuit when it gets wet. And then that looks a bit like a speaker, so I expect it quacks. And it's all glued in place. I expect I could try very carefully to get it apart, or I can just cut it open. And to be honest, I think I'll just cut it open. I'll use my cutting board just so I don't make too much of a mess of the table. I wonder whether a thin knife like this will do it. There's actually a circuit board right underneath there. I have to be a bit careful. And LEDs. Whoa, a bit more than I expected. I do hope it wasn't something simple like that, just pushed open and you change the batteries. No, it doesn't feel like it. Okay, so we've got a circuit board there. Put those contacts on. A bit of wire goes to the back. Yeah, definitely a couple of batteries under there. And two silver pillars going down there to make contact. Right, how about this bit? So that's the bit that, if you'd have been lucky, you might have been able to get this plastic bit, this circular bit that I'm still fiddling with, that bit. You might have been able to get that out at the bottom of the duck, but I doubt it, because it was glued all the way around. Anyway, batteries. What sort are they? Come on. There we go. AG10. 3 AG10s. Alright, I'll have a look. Don't seem to use AG10s very much, usually AG13s. So we should be alright. Has anybody ever managed to get these out of the casings by opening these little square crosses on the back? I never had any success doing that. what it does. It quacks and it flashes. That's loud. I do have a collection of these little sound effect chips or circuit boards, so I should just add it to that. Just wet my fingers, go across those two terminals. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. For 10 pence, or whatever I paid. Yeah, it was 10 pence. And as I say, it's very rare I use AG10 batteries. It always seems to be AG13s, so I've got plenty of AG10s. Done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.